Happy Diwali everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Diwali is one of the most popular festivals of Hinduism. It symbolizes victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Today on this special occasion of Diwali, we are sharing a dessert called Magaz, also known as besan ki burfi. Magaz is a fudge-like dessert made with chickpea flour, ghee, sugar, and a pinch of cardamom. It's a well-loved Gujarati dessert, super easy to make, and very delicious. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So for our Diwali special Magaz, today we will need 500 grams of sugar, 1 kg of chickpea flour, also known as besan, 250 ml of ghee, a few stems of saffron, 50 grams of shredded almonds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk. So to make our Magaz, first of all, we're going to add in half of our ghee into our gram or chickpea flour. And about 2 tablespoons of milk. And then using your hands, you just need to rub this very well with your chickpea flour. So once you've rubbed ghee and milk into your flour, this is how it should look. And now we're going to sieve it. So we're just going to take a couple of spoons and then just shake it like this. We'll do this as much as we can, and then you can use your hands to press it down. This will help you to get rid of all of your lumps, which we don't want. We're doing this to get rid of all of the lumps, and we're going to do it for the rest of our flour. Now that all of our gram flour has been through the sieve, this is what it looks like. Now we are going to cook it. So we're going to take a heated pan and we're going to add in our ghee. Once it's hot, we're going to add in our gram flour. We're going to add it a little at a time. And make sure your flame is on low to medium. We're just going to mix it in well. So we've added in the rest of our flour and we've stirred it well. Then we're going to add in around 1 tablespoon of ghee because it's looking very dry. And then we're just going to mix it in. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. So as you can see, all of our ghee and our gram flour are nicely combined into each other. Now it's time for the patience job. You have to keep your flame quite low to medium and keep on mixing it continuously for around 15 to 20 minutes. So as you can see, it's gone a little loose as it's been roasted for around 15 minutes. And at this time, we're going to add in our saffron sticks, so release a nice flavour and a nice colour. Then we're going to add in a tablespoon of milk and mix it well. Then we're going to keep stirring it for another 25 minutes. So we've stirred it for around 20 to 25 minutes and we've been stirring it on a low flame. As you can see, as it's been constant, it's not burned, but it's got a nice and dark brown colour. We're going to add in a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and our shredded almonds, along with another tablespoon of our milk, and then mix it well. Now we have mixed all the ingredients nicely. At this point, you can turn off the heat, and then we're going to transfer it into a bowl and to bring it down to room temperature. We'll just give it a little mix and spread it out. Now we're going to wait until it comes down to room temperature. So we've let it cool down for around 1.5 hours. Now we're going to mix in our sugar. You can use a spoon if you like, but if you want it to be mixed well and evenly, then you can use your hands. I'm just going to mix it in. So we've mixed it in nicely, and now we're going to spread it into a greased tray, or you can just make some shapes. You could just give them round ball shapes. You can use some molds. You can just give them your shapes of your choice. Or you could spread it in a greased tray like this. So we've got a greased tray, and what we're going to do is put our mixture in the tray and spread it down evenly. Okay, so now we've spread it out nice and evenly, and we're just covering up any little patches that we've missed. So we've spread it now, and now we're going to garnish it. So we spread it out evenly. Now we're going to garnish it with some of our shredded almonds. So we're just going to sprinkle them on and spread them out nicely like this. You can use pistachios or any other nuts of your choice. So you can just sprinkle it around like this and then pat it down a little bit so it sticks to the mixture. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. So now that we've garnished it, we're going to cut them into nice little pieces. We're doing diamond shapes, but you can do any shapes of your choice. You can even use molds, or you could even use any of the cutters that you have to make some nice patterns and shapes. And now you can either take them and put them in a container, or you can leave it overnight so it's nicely set and then put it into a container. So we've let it cool down over the night and we've let it set. This is how it looks. Now we're going to make sure that they're nicely cut. So we're going to try and take the first couple of pieces out from this side. And as you can see, they look really tasty. Now it's time for plating! If you like our videos, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!